Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to add grain in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have the image downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I drag and drop the image into Photoshop. To open the image, I press Ctrl+0 to remove it. Next, we can go to Layers. If you don't find Layers, we can go to Window and Show Layers here. I go back to Layers, and then we can add the new layer. Next, we can go to Edit and go to Fill, or we can use shortcut Shift F5 to fill. Open the Fill window, and then we can change the contents to 50% gray. And then we can press OK. So 50% gray is filled in the layer 1. I rename it to gray. Next, we can right-click and convert it to Smart Object. And then we can add grain by adding noise. We can go to Filter and go to Noise and add noise. So we can adjust the amount. For example, if you want to have more noise, we can type 50. If you don't want too much noise, we can reduce it. I use 15. Now we have options to choose distribution. We can choose uniform and we can choose Gaussian. I keep it in Gaussian. If we want to have black and white noise, we can check the box monochromatic. It depends your options. I will keep it in default. So we can apply the noise by clicking OK. Next, we can select the layer and change the blending mode to overlay. So we can close up to view it. And then we can see before and after. If you think the noise is quite sharp, we can go to Filter and go to Blur. We can add Gaussian Blur. So this is how we can add great effects in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.